to Victoria today, and the sunrise has been incredible. I've been enjoying this view of the frosty farm fields and the low rising clouds, the fog over the fields. It is really, really magical, and I really hope one day soon I will be a co-pilot and able to film some of this stuff and not just talk about it, because I just feel so lucky that I live here. It's such a beautiful, beautiful place. So I am just heading to Mill Bay to catch the ferry across to save myself some time. I am excited because this is something unique, and actually a lot of locals don't even know that this exists. So, sorry, it was just that a light. Anyways, so I'm going for just a little unique adventure, and maybe I'll bring you along. We'll see how it goes. And yeah, such a beautiful day.